Hello, my name is Elizabeth Smith and I'm the trichologist here at the Hair Loss Control Centre in London. Today I'm going to show you how to make some hair masks to cleanse and condition your hair using products that you've got within your kitchen. So the first one I'm going to make is going to be tailored for people who have either a build-up of product, suffering from dandruff or have oily hair. This is a detoxifying scalp cleanser. So the one and only ingredient you need for this is baking soda, or baking powder as we call it, and some warm water. So there you have 1 part baking soda to 3 parts of warm water, and this is your initial rinse. So wet your hair, then bung this on and work it into the scalp. So start by wetting the hair and then apply your rinse. Then massage into the scalp. What this is going to do is start breaking down all the debris on your hair. To make it a little bit thicker, more of a paste-like solution, you can then use it to actually exfoliate the scalp. So work it into a paste, then apply it to the scalp and just massage it in. And then rinse. Shampoo and condition as usual.